Next, we're going to finish all of the planar faces or all the Z faces. To do this, I'm just going to start by selecting a face and choosing end milling. Again, it's using the same tool that's in the carousel. That's fine for tutorial's sake, but again, you can always go back to the tool selection and create or search for another tool. To do this toolpath, I'm going to go through all the steps now using all the dialog boxes. I'm going to start with my feeds and speeds. Again, maybe this case, I'm going to crank up the RPM a little bit, go a little bit faster with our feed rate. Of course, jet coolant, why not? I'm going to come down here to my settings. Here what I want to do is a 30% step over. Next, stock to leave on the floor is going to be 0, but stock to leave on the walls and islands are going to be 30. Now, why am I setting such a big side step? Well, it's simple. I want to leave stock against the side wall that's a little bit greater because we're going to finish those walls in the next operation. My depth of cut, you can set as you want. Doesn't really matter, and we don't need any spring pass. Finally, I'm going to come down here, make sure that Z-path stock fitting is set to stock. I'm going to change from spiral to successive contouring just for fun, and that's it. The last thing I'm going to do now is go to geometry, and I'm going to select the faces in the order to machine. Now if you notice, at this top level I don't need to select this face over here because the software is smart enough to see all that material. So now I'm going to select this face, I'm going to select this face, I'm going to select my pocket here, I'm going to select my pocket here, I'm going to select my open pocket, followed by my open pocket there. Now, I had chosen successive contouring, so you can see there is a fair amount of rapids going on there. I'm a fan of this style of cut. Maybe you're not. No big deal, go back to settings, switch back to spiral. The choice is always yours. You're always in the driver's seat. The last fun thing I'll show you, you can see all the various rapids that are happening here. I can go to my altitudes tab and ask the software to even turn on a little bit of rapid optimization. And what this is doing is this is going to adjust those rapid altitudes just slightly and only pick up as high as we need to get to the next cut. After that, green check mark, and you've now finished all of the Z faces in one simple toolpath.